Today, we will use English in real life.
We talk about simple moments in life, funny moments, normal moments, things that happen every day.
We can talk about going to the fridge at night, or buying coffee in a busy cafe in London, Paris, or New York. Small things, but very important.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Listen again. You will understand more every day.
This podcast helps you use English for your daily life.
So get comfortable, sit in your favorite chair, and let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Good morning, Adam. Or good afternoon.
Please, Sarah, not so loud.
Why? What is wrong?
My head hurts, my eyes hurt, even my hair hurts.
Oh no, you look... How do I say this politely? You look like a zombie.
I feel like a zombie who needs coffee.
Did you sleep well last night?
I slept too well. That is the problem.
So today we are talking about mornings.
We are talking about my enemy, the morning.
You really hate mornings, don't you?
Hate is a strong word, but yes, I hate them.
Tell us what happened today. Walk us through your morning.
Okay, it started at 7 a.m.
A normal time.
I was having a beautiful dream. I was on a boat, the sun was warm, I was eating a giant sandwich.
That sounds lovely.
And then the sound, the noise from hell.
The alarm clock?
Yes, beep, beep, beep.
So what did you do? Did you jump out of bed?
Jump? Sarah, I don't jump in the morning. I roll.
You roll?
Yes, but first, I did the most dangerous thing a human can do.
What is that?
I hit the snooze button.
Ah, the snooze button, the button of lies.
Exactly. It is a lie. You press it and the alarm stops.
For how long?
Usually 9 minutes.
And what do you do in those 9 minutes?
I tell myself a story. I say, Adam, just close your eyes for 1 second. You will be fine.
And were you fine?
No, I fell back into a deep sleep.
You overslept.
Overslept. That is the word. It means I slept too much. I slept past the time.
So what time did you actually wake up?
The alarm rang again. Beep, beep. I hit snooze again.
Adam.
I did it 3 times, Sarah. It was a war. Me versus the phone.
Who won?
The phone won, eventually. But when I finally looked at the clock, it was 8:15 a.m.
8:15? But we start recording at 9.
Exactly. I had 45 minutes to get ready, drive here, and be a human.
So you were in a rush.
A massive rush. Do you know that feeling when your heart goes boom, boom, boom?
Yes, it is panic mode.
I jumped out of bed. I tripped over my shoes.
Oh no!
I ran to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth in 10 seconds.
That is not enough time for clean teeth, Adam.
I know, but I was desperate. Then I tried to get dressed.
Did you check the mirror?
No time for mirrors. I grabbed a shirt. I grabbed pants.
Wait, Adam, look at your socks.
What?
Look at your socks. One sock is blue, the other sock is black.
See, this is what happens. This is the result of the snooze button.
You're wearing mismatched socks.
It's a fashion statement. It means I'm tired.
It is very stylish.
But the worst part was the coffee.
You didn't get coffee?
I made the coffee. I put it in my travel mug. I was running to the door.
And?
I dropped my keys. I bent down to pick them up and splash.
No.
Yes, coffee on the floor.
That is a tragedy, a morning tragedy.
I almost cried, Sarah. I stood there looking at the brown puddle, and I thought, maybe I should just go back to bed.
But you didn't. You came here.
I came here, uncaffeinated, with weird socks and a headache.
Adam, you are a hero.
I don't feel like a hero. I feel groggy.
Groggy, that's a great word for our listeners. Can you explain it?
Groggy is how you feel when your brain is thick. You can't think clearly. You are slow.
Like a computer that is starting up very slowly.
Exactly. I'm buffering.
You know, Adam, I have the opposite morning.
Of course you do. You're an early bird.
I am. I love the morning.
Tell me about your morning. Make me jealous.
Well, my alarm rang at 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? That's illegal.
I woke up immediately. I didn't use the snooze button. I stretched, I opened the window, I breathed the fresh air.
You are disgusting. Joking.
Then I made tea, I sat on my balcony, I watched the birds.
You watched the birds? I was fighting my pillow and you were watching birds?
It was peaceful. I felt calm. I felt ready.
I want that life, Sarah. How do I get that life?
You have to break the cycle.
Break the cycle?
Yes, the cycle of snooze.
But the bed is so warm. It's a magnet. It holds me.
I have a trick, a secret tip.
Tell me, I need help.
Where's your phone when you sleep?
It's on my nightstand, right next to my head.
That's the mistake.
Why?
Because it is too easy to hit snooze. You don't even have to open your eyes. You just reach out your hand and sleep again.
That's true. I can do it while I'm sleeping. It's a talent.
You need to move the phone.
Move it where?
Put it across the room. Put it on a table far away from the bed.
Far away?
Yes, so when the alarm rings, you must stand up. You must walk.
That sounds terrible.
It's terrible for 5 seconds, but once you're standing, you're awake.
So I have to walk across the cold floor to stop the noise?
Yes, and once you're up, do not go back to bed.
That's the hard part. The bed looks at me. It whispers, Adam, come back.
You have to be strong. Say no to the bed.
No, bed, we are finished.
Exactly. Break up with your bed every morning.
Okay, I will try it tonight. I will put my phone on my desk.
Good. And Adam, there's one more thing.
What?
Go to sleep earlier.
Ah, the logic.
You're a night owl. You stay up late.
I know. Last night I was watching videos until 1 a.m.
Videos of what?
Cats, cooking, people building houses in the jungle.
The internet trap.
Yes, so I slept for only 6 hours.
No wonder you're groggy. You need 8 hours.
But the night is my time. It's quiet. I'm creative at night.
Then you have to accept the pain of the morning. You cannot have both.
Life is unfair.
Friends, we want to know about you. Are you like Adam or are you like me?
Are you a night owl? You love the night and you hate the morning?
Or are you an early bird? You wake up happy and fresh.
Be honest. Do you hit the snooze button?
How many times? 1, 3, 10?
If you hit it 10 times, you are my hero.
No, don't encourage them.
Sarah, talking about this is making me tired.
Everything makes you tired today, Adam.
Can I take a nap?
A nap now?
Just a small one, under the table, 5 minutes.
No, we have to record the outro.
Okay, I will stay awake, but only for you.
Thank you.
Let's review the words for our friends. Maybe they are sleepy too.
We talked about to oversleep.
That means sleeping too late. Sorry, boss, I overslept.
We talked about groggy.
Feeling slow and tired. I'm so groggy.
We talked about in a rush.
Moving fast because you're late. I'm in a rush.
And the villain of the story, the snooze button.
Don't touch it. It's a trap.
Listen to Adam. He learned the hard way.
Look at my socks. This is the proof.
They are very unique socks.
Thank you. Maybe I'll start a new trend. Zombie fashion.
I think you should just drink some coffee.
I agree. Friends, thank you for listening to my sad story.
We hope your morning was better than Adam's.
And if you're watching this in bed, get up.
Put the phone across the room.
Do it tonight. Tomorrow, we'll use English in a new real situation. Watch the next episode.
See you next time, everyone.
Goodbye.